Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the power button shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so first we have to go to settings, and here scroll down a little bit until you find the advanced features and choose the side button. And as you can see, the side button is here. We can adjust these options. For example, we can toggle the option off or on for the double press, or if we want to, for example, open our camera or our flashlight, whatever, and just press the option and choose the app that will be opened using double press, or disable the option, whatever is your preferable. And for the long press, just press the long press option and choose the power off menu if you want to disable the long press function. So, if you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.